I met a lot of people, but I feel like they're the same. And then you came into this game, a little something different. Something about you, I just need to be around you. I don't wanna fall, no, I don't wanna fall. But girl, you look so good, I want your picture on my wall. And ever since I met you, I just want it all. And I'm like, hey girl, I see you over there, and I'm wondering what you think about me. I'll give you all I have and everything you want. Just tell me what you think it's gon' be. I know you like that, like that, like that. I know you like that, like that, like that. I said I'll give you all I have and everything you want. Just tell me what you think about me. And I'm drinking, I saw you in the club, so I had to say what's up. We took some shots, I grabbed a cup. Girl, you're too fly for no jetpack, and tell your ex you can step back. Your mind, you better respect that. Man, some people just don't get that, but we on, sipping on Patron. When I'm with you, then I feel I'm in the zone. Anyone can make it, but I did it on my own. Only when you make it, then they blowing up your phone. There was times I wasn't known, but over time I've grown. You think of money borrowed from the bank the way I was alone. Yeah, I know sometimes we might play and fight, and when I'm wrong I might say I'm right. Keeping my head to the sky like I'm afraid of heights. This ain't medieval times, girl, but can I